Hello friends, welcome to this part of the video series on chatbot development end-to-end project. And we are now approaching to the finish line. We have developed the chatbot, we have developed the webhook, we have connected the chatbot and webhook using ngrok. In this part of the video, we will create our Telegram bot and then connect the Telegram bot to Dialogflow. So we will head over to Telegram and we will search for bot father. Now make sure you see this photo and bot father username and this bio as well. Here in the menu section, you will click on new bot. It will ask, alright, a new bot, how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Let's say I'll say Raj Kapadia demo bot. It will say good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot, like terrace bot. So let's say Raj Kapadia demo underscore bot. If the name is correct, then it will provide a link to the chatbot and API key. Make sure you don't show this API key to anybody or never expose this API key. This API key can modify every aspect of your Telegram bot. And don't worry about this API key. I'll destroy the bot once the video recording is finished. So you copy this API key to a safe place. We will need it in the further process. So this is it for this part of the video. In the next part of the video, we will connect the newly created bot to Dialogflow. See you in the other side of the video series. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Thank you for watching. Peace.